Over out there, you got yourself Cody. I'm here to give you my honest farm review of this fart blaster fart button. Pretty, I'd say average quality. Comes with batteries, comes ready to go. Comes with this nice words there. So we'll give her a whirl. Ooh, that felt good. So let's just have to, different sounds. I think it says how many sounds it plays. I don't even know how many. The loudness of it isn't real loud. Some of them are short, some are loud, but pretty good joke situation to play on somebody. Put it someplace and make lots of entertainment to do with this. So that's the fart blaster fart button.